Oh, sorry guys. Recently I mean ever since yesterday until now the coughing situation is really well. I mean even when especially when I'm eating it's really getting worse, but now it's alright. Just the health condition is getting better, even though today was raining. Today I learned something very interesting that today I learned how to reserve from the computer system, and it's very fascinating of how you set up and do stuff. I think that's very interesting. I learned how to sorry guys. Today I plan not to do a video, but I promise that today I post to someone a video that today we do a reservoir, and we learn how to check in, check out. We learn how to book a reservoir, and not just a person but also a company. We need to fill lots of information data, and at first it was confusing and hard, but when you learn carefully you will know what to do, and yeah. But really guys, I'm very sorry for the coughing. I didn't mean to, but recently it's hard, quite uncontrollable. Maybe today will be my long video for this week, only for yesterday and today, and maybe the rest of the week will be just short video. I'm sorry for this again. Maybe I will talk to this again for the next video.